In this video, we're going to look at how to create a parameter query, which is a special type of query by adding an actual field to our database that doesn't currently exist. So how we start with this is we're going to start in query design. So I'm going to click on create query design. And what we're looking for, I'm using my hospital database. And we are looking to create a parameter query that will allow database users to find records in the physician's table by entering a city name. So by doing that, I'm going to first choose the table, and I want the physician's table. So I'm going to add that to my query. And then from there, I'm going to close this, and I'm going to start adding various attributes. So in this case, I'm going to add first name, last name, city, and phone in that order. So first name, last name, click and scroll down, city, and phone. Under the city, we are actually going to put in a criteria, and the easiest way to do this, I find, is going into Zoom again. So I'm going to right-click, go into Zoom. I'm going to make my font bigger so that you can see what I'm doing better. We'll do 20, that should work. And then I'm going to put in brackets, enter the city name. And then once I'm done typing that, I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to run the query. And when I do this, what it's going to do, it's going to pop up. You notice in an earlier video, this happened when we had an error when we were doing a calculated field. But in this case, it's not an error. This is the way we want it. I'm going to type in Miami, press OK, and you'll see here now we have all the doctors being listed who live in or are practicing in the area of Miami. So that's how you create a parameter query. I'm going to save this. I'm going to call it Physicians by City. I hope this is demystified for you how to do this parameter query. Again, it's important to have those braces in there. Don't use the curly braces, use the brackets. As long as you're using the correct syntax, it should work just fine. Of course, if you have problems with this, feel free to post to the Access discussion board. It helps if you put a screenshot so I can see what you're looking at. But I hope that this helps you as you work through Chapter 4 and all the different queries you're asked to do.